Hi, and welcome to Perfect Imperfections by Dior. Today, we're cleaning the stairs. It might be a little echoey. I'm trying not to talk so loud so it doesn't blast all through the house and also through this video, but hopefully I'm not too low. Anyways, to clean the stairs, we have a few items that you have seen me use before, and these are all Dollar Tree items, okay? So we have this heavy traffic carpet cleaner foam. We have this oxygen power LA's Totally Awesome spray, spot cleaner spray. And then we have this brush that I've used before, clearly. I've used this before when I clean my headboard, so make sure you watch that video if you haven't, because I also cleaned some spots in the carpet. I have a rag that I don't care that much about, and I need my spray bottle. I forgot that. But just a spray bottle with water. And then I have these good and clean wipes that they have because I need to disinfect the handles or the rails of the stairs as well. So first things first, I'm gonna get my spray bottle with water, and then also we are going to vacuum the stairs because that's what you need to do first. Vacuum it first. All right, so I got my spray bottle with water. There's nothing else in here, just water. This is not my normal cleaning spray bottle. This is the one I use for my hair sometimes, but it's just water. No one cares. So let me show you the stairs first, okay? So you can see how dirty they really are. So I have carpet stairs, and they tend to get dusty. They tend to get dirty. People spill stuff as they're going up and down the stairs. So we're gonna work on these things. Then you see the corners and crevices can also collect dust. So you wanna make sure that you're cleaning that. And then look at this walk trail down the center. You see all that dirt down the center? That's what we're really going to attack as well. So this is our project for today. So the first thing we're going to do is use this little handheld vacuum to go ahead and vacuum everything up. So now let's take a look at all the dust we collected in here. Ooh, look at that. Gross. All right, so the next step I'm going to use is this Oxy Power spot cleaner. And I'm going to concentrate mostly on the middle, but I'm just spraying the super heavy traffic areas first. So if we look at this stair right there, spray that. And then this spot, spray that. So I'm just gonna go down each stair and get those spots first. Next, we're gonna use this. So just shake it up, and then we'll spray it and scrub it. So we're using this. Spray some on there and scrub it out. Whenever using a carpet cleaner, be sure to do a test spot first. I've already used these cleaners on this carpet before, so I know how it will work. But if you have never used a specific cleaner on your carpet or rug, make sure you do a spot test first because it could bleach it, discolor it, or anything else. This one does not do anything to my carpets, but I don't know what it might do to yours. Now, to sort of stretch out the usage of my product and also to not make it too soapy, I'm going to add water. And then spread that in. And I'm just going to go through each stair and really focus on the center, the concentrated part that is, you know, the dirtiest, but also work my way across the whole step. To me, this stuff works really well. I'm just gonna give you an example on this particular spot. That's kind of like a rust spot or something. So I just sprayed it. And then it's gone. Like, you see this dark spot right there? We're gonna do the same thing to that. Spray it. And then scrub it. And you see I'm not even letting it sit there. I'm immediately scrubbing it and it's immediately getting off. And then like it dries pretty fast. It's not completely dry right now, but it's not soaking wet either. So the other thing you might have noticed when I was vacuuming, I can't get too deep in this little crack. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to push it and use this to scrub in between. And it is pushing it out. So it's getting more dirt out, and then when I vacuum again, I can get all of this out. So yeah. In case you don't believe me that this stuff is actually working, I need to get on this edge a little bit more. But literally, it's already working. Now, look at this step, and then look at this step, and then look at all the other ones. Let's go from a different angle. So where the product is where I stopped. You see how dirty the middle of these stairs are compared to this? You see that it's already lighter? Do you see that difference right there? It's making a difference. Okay, so your girl has cleaned the stairs, okay? But we want to clean two more areas. Another area that I don't want you to forget about is, I don't know if they call this the baseboard or what the exact term is, but this part that runs along the wall. This could actually use a really good paint job, but I'm not going to do that today. What I am going to do is spray just pure water and then wipe it. And you can see just what a difference water alone would do. I do have some magic erasers I can use on this part, but just look at water and a rag. You don't need anything special. This is just painted wood. And some of these is just like scratches. You can definitely use soap, but right now I'm just really trying to get all the dust and everything. So yes, this could use repaint. That's not even dirt, that's paint chips. So I'm just going to clean this whole thing with water, and then we'll clean the rails after. So to clean the rails, like I said, I'm just going to use one of these, and I'll just take one out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Take one out and just wipe. Very, very simple. And I'll just wipe the whole thing. This needs to be repainted, but that's not part of the program today. So just do the whole thing. So yeah, my rail is really old. And definitely, the closer I look at it, I'm like, oh, maybe I need to make this a project and freaking repaint it. But you see how dirty this is? So yeah, make sure you clean your rails. So this is not completely dry, but it is mostly dry. And then when it is completely dry, I'll vacuum it again. But look at the difference. Such a difference. To me, it looks cleaner in person than it does on these stairs. But do you guys remember some of the really tough spots? They are out. I'm gonna clean that. That's just wood that should be painted as well. But I need to do this more often so it won't be so much work at one time. But your girl did clean the stairs and using Dollar Tree products, and it worked really well. Like I said, it's not completely dry even though I'm sitting on it right now. That lets you know like how it's wet, but it's not like soaked, because I wouldn't sit on it if it was soaked. But it is wet. And those products work. I actually need more of the red carpet cleaner foam, so next time I get a chance to go to Dollar Tree, I'll pick up a few cans of that because I want to do this more regularly. I do vacuum the stairs, but I'll be honest to say I don't do it as much as I vacuum everywhere else. So that's something that I need to focus on a little bit more when I'm cleaning, so that I don't have to do like this deep clean again more often. Like the more you clean an area, the easier it is to keep it clean. And of course, if you have children or someone in the house that, you know, is able to actually use a vacuum or something, have them vacuum the stairs. Delegate tasks, okay? So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being an awesome audience as usual. Make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, okay? Very important to do those things, and I will see you next time. Bye.